Hi, Peter Charles here. And let's take a minute to talk about the Voigtlander lenses matching up with the Fujifilm X Pro 3 and what I sort of come to my final conclusions on how well these work or do not work together. Well, I've been using these lenses in this camera now for quite a few months, and I've used them in a variety of situations. And so I've got a good feeling for how easy they are to work or not easy to work together. Now, I'm doing this strictly from the perspective of ease of use. I'm not getting into the optical stuff and all that sort of thing. I want to just deal with how easy is it to take the X Pro 3, put one of these lenses on it and go shoot. Before I get into that, I would like to say that Fujifilm is coming out with an XE5 pretty soon. I've got mine on, actually it's already out. I've got mine on order. I'll get mine within a few weeks. So I'll have another video out in a couple of months of the XE5 with these lenses. I think it's actually going to be a better fit than it is in the X Pro 3. The problem we get in with the X Pro 3 is that the viewfinder, the optical viewfinder, doesn't really support the 18 very well and doesn't support the 50 very well. And the reason for that is the old X Pro 2 and X Pro 1 had a dual magnification viewfinder. So when you went past a certain point, it changed magnification. So your focusing box or your view box didn't get smaller and smaller. It would suddenly enlarge. So if you put a 50 on, you weren't looking with a tiny little box in the middle of the viewfinder. The X Pro 3 does not have that. And that was a big step backwards by Fujifilm. Now you say to yourself, well, that's great. Take one of these lenses and put it on the X Pro 2. The problem is these have electronics built in and they don't work with the X Pro 2 and the X Pro 1. So from the X Pro 3 onward, they work with Fujifilm cameras. But for whatever reason, and I don't know the reason, the electronics doesn't work with older Fujifilm cameras. Because if it did, I would have traded that thing in for an X Pro 2. So I think the X Pro 2, if the electronics worked, would be the ideal choice for these lenses. So the bottom line here is that you've got a choice of whether you want to flip between optical and electronic viewfinder as you're moving between lenses, or in this case, I would think the ideal combination of these three right here, which is the 35, the 27, and the 23. They work fine when we're talking about the optical viewfinder. That lovely choice works great. You've got a reasonably good sized box to work with for composition. The 18, you don't have a box, so you're guessing. You're just using the entire viewfinder, and it is not accurate. So you may be including things in your picture you don't want. So be prepared to crop if you use the 18. And the 50 is the box is getting small. So that starts to get difficult to compose properly. So there are some little cheats you can do. For example, if I'm using this 50 and I just wiggle the focusing ring, I have the magnification set for focusing, so it pops out to a bigger box. So you can use that to try and help you get a better idea of what's inside your little box by using the ability to pop open and magnify, but it's still clumsy. So bottom line is when I'm using this camera, I'm usually using the optical viewfinder for the 23, the 27, and 35, and using the electronic viewfinder for the others. What I'm feeling is that when the X Pro 5, my X Pro 5 arrives, these lenses will probably get used on the X Pro 5 more than on this. And I'll probably go back to an autofocus, small zoom or something like that on this camera. I haven't made up my mind yet. But the idea is that you are limited if you go with the full range with the Voigtlander lenses. And I wished Fujifilm had kept the dual magnification optical viewfinder, then you wouldn't be hearing me complain at all. But that is really the one drawback if you want to get the full set of these lenses. As soon as you get up to 50 or down to 18, you start running into problems. So I thought I'd mention that as a final sort of chit-chat on the Voigtlander lenses and the X Pro 3. I mean, they're still great to use. I love using them. Use them all the time. And but as I say, I have to adjust when I change lenses. I have to adjust the viewfinder, and there's just no getting away from it. It is what it is. So, if you're interested in these lenses, keep that in mind. Cheers.